Luke Murphy. I'm the President of the Law Council of Australia. Can I say at the outset that we acknowledge the significant contribution that has been announced tonight to ensure the ongoing funding of the Family Violence Prevention Legal Service, which provides culturally aware services to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander victim survivors of family violence. Without that funding, those services were at risk of being incapable of ongoing. But the Law Council sees this budget as one of missed opportunity. It is an opportunity to further fund the legal assistance services sector. It's acknowledged and has been widely that many Australians are living under significant economic pressure, and that then necessitated difficult decisions to be made in tonight's budget. The Treasurer in his speech emphasised that one of the core factors in the decisions made were to ensure that vital services were secure, were reliable and were sustainable, to ensure that vulnerable Australians could access them. Well, can I say there's one vital service that can no longer be said to be secure, reliable and sustainable, and that is the legal assistance services sector. It has, in recent weeks, had members of that sector announce that they will now have to start considering closing services. The provision of legal services through legal aid, the community legal centres and the Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander services are a significant support to vulnerable Australians in crisis. And there has been increasing demand on their services in recent years without any increase or corresponding increase in the baseline fundamental funding. Why is that important? It's important because, as was highlighted by the Law Council's final report from its Justice Project, that when there are vulnerable Australians unable to access legal services and legal advice, you have civil and family matters having a propensity to escalate into criminal matters, and you have people struggling to pay fines and debts who are pushed into poverty, homelessness and eviction. And the cost of that to the community far exceeds the cost of funding traditional legal services. We acknowledge that there is, shortly will be, a review of the National Legal Assistance Partnership. But these services, given the recent announcements, can't wait. Thank you.